In 1901, divers exploring a shipwreck near the Greek island of Antikythera stumbled upon a discovery that defied belief. At first glance, it appeared to be nothing more than a lump of green corroded bronze, broken and long forgotten. It seemed like a relic of little value, yet beneath the surface, a secret was waiting to be uncovered. When researchers finally looked inside the wreckage, they found something that changed our understanding of ancient technology forever. They discovered dozens of gears, perfectly engineered and interlocking with a level of precision that seemed impossible for the era. These were not simple tools, but complex components of a machine designed to model the heavens themselves. Dating back over 2,000 years, it functioned as an analog computer, calculating astronomical cycles with truly astonishing precision. It could predict eclipses and planetary positions, challenging our perception of the ancient world as a primitive society. This device reveals a level of mechanical sophistication that would not reappear in human history for another full millennium. The craftsmanship involved in creating these gears suggests a deep, specialized knowledge of metallurgy and mathematics. How could a civilization build something so advanced, only for the technology to vanish from the historical record? The mechanism stands as a silent witness to a lost era of engineering that was far ahead of its time. It forces us to reconsider the technological capabilities of the Greeks and the depth of their scientific inquiry. The machine transformed abstract observation into tangible prediction, turning the sky into a mechanical model. By turning a single handle, an ancient user could see the future positions of the sun and the moon. This was the world's first analog computer, a device that performed complex calculations through physical motion alone. It represents a bridge between the philosophy of the heavens and the reality of mechanical engineering. The existence of the Antikythera mechanism suggests that our ancestors possessed a mastery of gears we once thought impossible. It invites us to wonder what other inventions might have been lost to the tides of time and history. The mystery deepens when we realize that no other machine of this complexity has ever been found from that period. Was it a unique masterpiece, or was it part of a wider tradition of mechanical innovation that faded away? The gears are a testament to human ingenuity, showing that the drive to understand the cosmos is ancient. We often view the past through a lens of simplicity, but this device shatters that narrow perspective entirely. It reminds us that intelligence is not a modern invention, but a constant thread throughout human history. The precision of the gear teeth alone is enough to make modern engineers pause and admire the craftsmanship. Every movement of the handle was a calculation, a way to bring the vastness of space down to Earth. The mechanism is a physical embodiment of the ancient desire to control and understand the unpredictable world. It serves as a reminder that knowledge is fragile and can be easily lost when civilizations face collapse. When the Roman world shifted, libraries burned, and the continuity of technical knowledge was tragically broken. The skills required to build such a device were not passed down, leaving the machine as a solitary enigma. We are left to piece together the story of its creation from the fragments left behind in the sea. Each gear tells a story of a society that looked at the stars and saw a puzzle to solve. The Antikythera mechanism is more than just a tool. It is a symbol of the heights humanity can reach. It challenges us to look at the ancient world with new eyes, recognizing the depth of their hidden achievements. The fact that it survived at all is a miracle of history, preserved in the depths of the ocean. Today, it sits in a museum, a silent teacher that continues to reveal its secrets to modern researchers. We study it not just to understand the past, but to appreciate the long journey of human scientific discovery. The gears may no longer turn, but they still inspire us to ask questions about our own technological limits. History does not move in a straight line, and progress is often interrupted by the chaos of human events. The mechanism teaches us that we must value the knowledge we have, for it can disappear in an instant. It is a humbling reminder that our current understanding is built upon the forgotten work of those before us.